This bathtub drain is not working. So there's actually a kind of a chain thing in here, and then the stopper is down in here. So I have to take this cover off. This one's just a straight screwdriver, and there's 2 screws here. I remove both of these, and then this cover should come off. Oops, oh, there it goes. Now, carefully take this out. Oh, everything here is fine, so the drain is plugged. I'm going to put this back together. And I'll have to get a snake and run it down the drain. Clean that out. I'll put these 2 screws back in. What can happen on here is one of these joints can fail. There's a cotter key here that could rust off, or one of these end up breaking in the shaft or something. So worth checking.